Welcome back, everyone. So, in today's video lecture, we will learn about one of the pillars of AWS well architected framework, which is the cost optimization pillar. This pillar actually, has been neglected many times when an organization is actually planning to start its cloud journey, or they're planning to put some workloads to AWS, and they have the conception that when we are going to the cloud, we will be saving cost. Yes, you will be saving cost, but where is your Excel differentiation and calculation of comparing what is the cost you are saving for a service, for an application implementation? Yes, you will be saving the costs for, the data center setups, the racks, the security personals, the power, the backups, and all these things. But what is the gain you are getting in terms of numbers? What is that ballpark number percentage of cost benefit which is happening if you are going to cloud or planning to go to cloud? So these are the design principles, and I must tell you, like, there is a new niche coming in IT world of cloud, which is known as cloud FinOps. You need to have a dedicated team which will actually keep tab on the cost benefits of the migration, and it will tell you like how much you are saving per month, per quarter, per year on a particular service or application which you are deploying on cloud. So I have seen in my previous organizations going to a customer and they are getting sort of bill shocks. They are not aware, like, if this particular analysis is not being done correctly, there ought to be bill shocks. They got a wake up call when they saw the amount which they were paying was much more than what they were on premise, because their FinOps or their financial planning on the cloud, that cost benefit analysis was not done correctly. So here are some design principles from AWS well architected framework, and I must say that all the pillars have its own importance and we should not neglect any of these pillars. So let's go with one by one design principles and see. The first one is cloud financial management. As I mentioned you, FinOps, it's always taking a front seat now. In all the organizations, we have a dedicated team coming up in all the organizations who are cloud savvy and who have understood the importance of this particular analysis and team, right? Then consumption model. There is no point to actually go for dedicated instance of EC2 if your development environment can sustain outages and there is no impact. You can do it on spot instances or minimal configuration instances. For example, right? You can have an automated script, which we implemented in our previous organization as a architect, that the development setups will automatically come up. That means the EC2 instance with the appropriate packages, appropriate softwares will automatically come up at 8:55 a.m. local time, and it will automatically go down at, let's say, 7 p.m. local time. So during that time, all the works can be done, saved, or by the development team. So in this way, you are doing a consumption model, like pay only when you are using. No point in keeping it up when nobody is using it, right? Then the next one is overall efficiency. As I mentioned, there ought to be a team who is actually responsible to showcase to the higher management per day, per week, per month, per quarter, per year benefits of cost and efficiency to the higher management, right? How much we are spending, how much we are saving as compared to on-premise, right? Then you have to analyze and attribute the expenditure. You can accurately identify the cost and usage of workloads. AWS has made it so simple for us. There are so many tools. For example, the cost explorer, the budgeting, and what are the services running, how much we are paying per month, how much we are paying per day. So all these things can help you. We are not going in deep in this session because this is with respect to AWS Cloud Practitioner, and this is suffice for cloud practitioner certification to understand what is actually cost optimization pillar. This is also suffice for the project managers who would like to contribute to the cost optimization. Their valuable inputs after the certification is gonna help the organization a lot. So come forward, guys. Let's have this certification in your plate, in your profile, in your portfolio. Thank you, and see you again.